3, 2, 1.
Which of these is a major food allergen? The answer is C, peanuts. What kind of pH would you find in water from bugs? The answer is C, lower pH. What surname did the writer, born Adeline Virginia Stephen, publish her novels under? The answer is C, Wolf. Temperature and what other environmental factor are important in the activity of an enzyme? The answer is B, pH level. If a student needs to travel with their lunch for long distances, which of these would have the freshest meal? The answer is B, a student with food containing preservatives. Water molds are commonly found in moist soil, and where else? The answer is A, surface water. Which furniture piece consists of 2 or more seats and a backrest? The answer is B, sofa bed. What is the least dangerous radioactive decay? The answer is C, alpha decay. What is the first social media platform?
The answer is C, MySpace.
What happened to Nicole on the TV show Zoey 101? The answer is A, she went to an all-girls school. Who is known as the father of modern computing? The answer is A, Charles Babbage. What do rugby players use to carry the ball during a scrum? The answer is B, ball. Which statesman uttered these words? Thus, by every device from the stick to the carrot, the emaciated Austrian donkey is made to pull the Nazi barrow up an ever-steepening hill. The answer is B, Winston Churchill. Which emperor ordered the execution of John F. Kennedy's father? The answer is D, Japanese Emperor Hirohito. The praying mantis is well camouflaged in its natural habitat. What is a benefit of this adaptation? The answer is B, it reduces the risk of being eaten by a predator. What city is the classic holiday comedy National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation set in? The answer is B, Chicago. Which of these pairs is grammatically and politically correct? The answer is D, Abbott Abbas. Which sitcom is set in a sandy desert town? The answer is D, Gilligan's Island. What was the soft drink Pepsi originally introduced as? The answer is C, Brad's drink. Which latitudes get the most energy from the sun? The answer is A, lowest latitudes. The painting View of Toledo by El Greco is a part of which art movement? The answer is B, Mannerism. Which mathematician discovered Fermat's last theorem? The answer is A, Euler. What is the fourth largest city in Canada after Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver, as measured by metropolitan area according to 2006 estimates? The answer is A, Ottawa. What is Mrs. Doubtfire's first name in the 1993 comedy movie Mrs. Doubtfire? The answer is A, Euphigenia. What is the fourth planet from the Sun? The answer is C, Mars. What is the name of the protagonist in The Legend of Zelda? The answer is A, Link. With Night of the Living Dead and Dawn of the Dead being the previous two, what is the name of the third installment in George A. Romero's zombie saga? The answer is D, Day of the Dead. What is the best evidence of a properly brewed espresso shot? The answer is D, it's crema. What is the name of the album released by John Lennon and Yoko Ono just weeks before Lennon's murder? The answer is A, Double Fantasy. What are Hank's political views in the TV series King of the Hill? The answer is B, staunch conservative Republican. Who is known as the father of modern medicine? The answer is A, Hippocrates. Defecating, urination, and even childbirth involve cooperation between the diaphragm and these. The answer is C, abdominal muscles. What is the difference between Felix and Oscar from the 1968 movie The Odd Couple? The answer is C, Felix is a neat freak and Oscar is a pig. What is used to clean windows? The answer is C, mop. What is Elvis Presley's middle name? The answer is B, Aaron. Which month is celebrated as Black History Month? The answer is D, February. Which appliance removes air from packages to prevent food spoilage? The answer is C, vacuum sealer. Which condition is most likely to cause the formation of a temperature inversion? The answer is A, rapid cooling of the ground at night. What is the study of celestial bodies and their motion? The answer is A. Astrophysics. Structural adaptations in flying animals often contribute to reduced what? The answer is D. Body mass. What is the term for the class of ectothermic, four-legged vertebrates that produce amniotic eggs? The answer is D. Reptiles. What is the term for the amount of money in circulation in an economy? The answer is C. Money supply. Which king signed the Magna Carta in 1215? The answer is C. Edward I. Which actor portrayed Balthazar, a character with a demon mother and a human father, on the television series Charmed? The answer is B. Michael Bailey Smith. Which gas is released during respiration? The answer is C. Hydrogen. Who is known for the dualism theory in philosophy? The answer is B. René Descartes. Which psychological term refers to a type of learned behavior that occurs when a behavior is reinforced by a reward? The answer is B. Operant conditioning. Until its replacement by the EMS scale, the Medvedev-Spanhuer-Karnik scale was the most commonly applied scale in Europe, used to measure what? The answer is B. Earthquake intensity. Which law of reflection states that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection for a light ray striking a smooth surface? The answer is D. Law of reflections. Which furniture piece is traditionally associated with Morocco and has a low table on legs, often used for dining?